Hey guys, it's Moto with Central Alps, and today we are doing a wheel matchup on this 2017 Jeep Wrangler. We're looking at a 20x12 Moto 962 wheel that's black with a milled edge and a 35-1250 R20 Fury tire. If we take a closer look, we'll see that the entire wheel, the majority of it is gloss black, and it is just the accents of the windows that are milled. The actual tire and wheel combo is stretched just a tad bit, and that comes from the 12 wide wheel. If you don't want this stretched look and you want more of a flush look, or one where the tire comes out, then you'll want to look at a 20x10 or a 20x9 wheel. Besides that, really am loving these RT tires as compared to a mud terrain tire. It's a hybrid in between an all-terrain and a mud terrain, and it reduces your road noise, yet it still gives you that aggressive look. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, shoot us an email, give us a call or text 833-268-2577. And if you want this combination on your vehicle, give us a call, shoot us a text, or possibly check out our store online, and let's get a set sent over to you. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and have a great day.